Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Venmo account. If you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this video is not for you. I truly apologize. I cannot have access to Venmo at the moment because I am outside the US. So first, all you need to do, of course, is just go and download the application if you still don't have it downloaded yet. Now, all you need to do, just go and open the application. Of course, first, you will need to make sure you meet all the requirements for signing up for Venmo. If you don't, you will need to meet them. So, what are those requirements? First of all, you must be physically located in the United States. If you are not, you'll not be able to create a Venmo account. You must have a US based cell phone that can send and receive text messages from short codes. This number can't be on file with another Venmo account. And you must be at least 18 years old or the age of majority in your states. Some states accept like 16, 17, and your Venmo app must be updated to the latest version, or not the latest version, just this version, which is 7.38.2 or newer. And of course, you can add your bank account, debit card, and etc. Those are other information. So how to sign up for that? Of course, as we said, you'll need to meet the requirements. We already went through that. You'll need to download this for your mobile, whether it's you Android or iOS. Then open the card, or open the app. Choose your sign up method and create a secure password. Then the password, of course, must be between 8 and 20 character longs. It should contain at least one number or symbols like those in here. Then you'll have to verify your phone number and email address. They will send you a code in both your email address and phone number. Then click on add and of course, verify your bank account. After completing the steps above, you should be all set and start receiving your payments and have a Venmo account. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.